Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by trimming hair to about 3 to 5 mm, so removal is effective and less painful. Once trimmed, exfoliate the underarm and bikini area to remove dead skin that causes ingrown hairs. Make sure skin is clean and dry, then apply a thin layer of pre-wax oil if waxing, or a high-quality shaving cream if you plan to shave. You're doing this to create an even surface and reduce razor tugging and wax adhesion problems. You choose removal method based on skin sensitivity and desired duration. For shaving, use a sharp multi-blade razor, stretch skin, shave with short light strokes in the growth direction, and rinse the blade after each pass to prevent clogs. For waxing, check wax temperature on your wrist, apply with the hair, press strip firmly, then pull the strip parallel to skin quickly to reduce pain and tearing. For sugaring, the paste and removal opposite to waxing can mean fewer ingrown hairs. Adjust technique as you go. Once hair removal is complete, calm the area. Apply aloe vera or a fragrance-free moisturizer to reduce redness and irritation, and make sure to wear loose clothing for the next 24 hours. If you notice bumps or razor burn, use a cold compress and consider a short course of 1% hydrocortisone for inflamed spots. If ingrown hairs develop, exfoliate gently and use a topical AHA or salicylic acid to free the hair. If severe
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.